30 minus 10 parenthesis 30 minus 10. 30 minus 10 will give us 20. Then we have 20 parenthesis 30 minus 10. In our parentheses, 30 minus 10 will also give us 20. Then we have 20 times 20. Remember, if a number is close to a parenthesis, there is a multiplication sign in between. 20 times 20 will give us 400. This answer is wrong because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, you have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let's solve the right answer to this expression. We have to solve our parentheses first because it comes first according to the order of operation. 30 minus 10 will give us 20. Then we break down our 30 minus 10 times 20. Here we have a subtraction and a multiplication. We work with our multiplication first because it comes first before subtraction. 10 times 20 will give us 200. Then we'll put down our 30 here. We have 30 minus 200. 30 minus 200 will give us a negative 170. This answer is correct. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.